Imagine being submerged under the ocean, miles away from the nearest shore, in a vessel that feels more like a steel tube than a home. Submarines, the silent guardians of our seas, offer a unique perspective on military life, one that is both fascinating and daunting. The life of military personnel aboard submarines is marked by exceptional challenges that significantly impact their physical and mental well-being. In this article, we explore the harsh realities faced by these brave individuals, shedding light on the sacrifices they make to serve their country beneath the waves. In the cramped confines of a submarine, personal hygiene takes on a different meaning. With a limited supply of fresh water and the complexities of water filtration, crew members seldom enjoy a proper shower. Instead, they often resort to sponge baths or brief showers, permitted only on a rotation basis. This lack of access to adequate hygiene facilities not only leaves them feeling unclean, but can also lead to psychological stress, impacting morale during long deployments. Aboard submarines, all personnel, whether officers or enlisted, wear the same uniform. This practice is more than just a matter of practicality. It fosters a sense of equality and unity among the crew. In an environment where teamwork is paramount, a standardized dress code helps break down hierarchical barriers, allowing everyone to contribute equally. Furthermore, the uniforms are designed for safety and functionality, tailored to withstand the unique challenges of submarine operations. Sleep aboard a submarine is often a precious commodity. Crew members typically face restricted sleep schedules due to the demands of their missions. Sleeping quarters are usually located near the engines, which constantly hum and vibrate, making restful sleep elusive. This disruption can lead to chronic fatigue, impacting performance and decision-making during critical operations. With frequent drills and emergency procedures requiring immediate attention, the need for constant vigilance means that crew members rarely enjoy a full night's sleep. Submarines operate with strict limitations on food storage and preparation. Fresh food is often impractical to maintain during extended deployments, so crews primarily rely on canned and prepackaged meals. While this ensures a stable food supply, it can also lead to feelings of deprivation and monotony, particularly during long missions where morale is already a concern. The logistical challenges of resupplying submarines while submerged only add to the limitations, further complicating meal planning and variety. One of the most challenging aspects of submarine service is the uncertainty surrounding deployment duration. Family members of crew members often face anxiety due to the unpredictable nature of missions. Operational security concerns mean that service members may not know how long they will be at sea, let alone how to communicate this with their families. This lack of clarity can create emotional strain, as loved ones are left wondering about the safety and well-being of those underwater. Life aboard a submarine is not without its dangers. Personnel must remain vigilant against a range of potential threats, from mechanical failures to hostile engagements. Submarines can become targets of anti-submarine warfare tactics, including depth charges and torpedoes from enemy vessels. The isolation and confinement can also lead to mental health challenges, such as anxiety and depression, as crew members grapple with the pressures of their demanding environment. The galley on a submarine is far from a traditional kitchen. Space and resources are limited, making it impractical to cook fresh meals. Instead, personnel rely on ready-to-eat meals that require minimal preparation. This lack of variety in their diet can contribute to dissatisfaction, as the same canned foods are consumed day after day. The reality of eating aboard a submarine highlights the stark contrast between the culinary delights often enjoyed on land and the austere meals consumed in the depths of the ocean. Living quarters aboard submarines are extremely cramped, leaving little room for rest and relaxation. Crew members often share sleeping spaces, and the absence of privacy can lead to stress and discomfort. The design of submarines prioritizes operational capabilities over crew comfort, resulting in limited areas for leisure and recuperation. Over time, this lack of personal space can exacerbate the challenges of living and working closely with others in such confined quarters. The life of military personnel aboard submarines is a testament to their resilience and dedication. They face numerous challenges, including limited hygiene options, sleep deprivation, monotonous diets, and the constant threat of danger, all while maintaining the highest level of operational readiness. Understanding these sacrifices is crucial for appreciating the commitment of those who serve in the submarine service. As a society, we must continue to develop support systems that can alleviate some of the burdens faced by these brave individuals and their families, ensuring they receive the recognition and care they deserve. Please subscribe to this channel, like and comment.